Welcome back, Jesse Mick here. Today we're going to be building the stand for the Milwaukee Porta-Band. But first I want to give a shout out to Jeremy over at Simple Little Life for building this first. I could have figured something out, but it's always nice to have a good plan. It makes things go a lot faster. It's a simple enough build, so let's get to it. came out pretty good, holds it pretty nice and sturdy. There's a little bit of wiggle, but I'm gonna stick some cloth or something in there with double-sided tape to make it nice and snug. Maybe one day I'll scuff it up and just spray it black just to keep it from rusting. But other than that, I think it came out pretty good. Again, I want to give a shout out to Jeremy over at Simple Little Life. Just makes things go way faster when you have a good idea of what you want to build. If you like projects like this, hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.